Good morning, students. In today's lecture of mathematics, I am going to discuss question number 1, 2, and 3 of exercise 1.3. The topic is relation and functions. The first question of the exercise is, given f has 1, 3, and 4, to 1, 2, and 5. This one is the function. It means we can design the function like this: 1, 3, 4, 1, 2 and 5. इसके बाद हमें गिवन है f की वैल्यू. f is given to you 1, 2 and second value is 3, 5 and 4, 1. Now what is the meaning of this? अगर मैं किसी स्टेटमेंट में 1 इंसर्ट करूं तो आउटपुट आएगी 2. उसके बाद 3, 5. This one is the second answer. 3. If I insert 3, output is equal to 5. Then 4. Answer is equal to 1. This one is the statement. And what about the second one? Given G is equal to 1, 2, 5, or you can say this one is domain and this one is codomain. Again design two sets so that we can represent clearly about functions. This one is 1, 2 and 5 and the combination is G is equal to, combination is given to you 1, 3, 2, 3 and 5, 1. अब इसको हम ज्वाइन करेंगे. दिस वन इज 1, 3. फर्स्ट कॉम्बिनेशन क्या है? 1, 1 to 3 and what about the second combination? 2 to 3. What about third one? 5 to 1. This one is the combination given to you. Now we have to calculate GOF. GOF. Now there are various ways to calculate GOF. This one is the question mark. Okay. Again I am drawing this one. The first function 1, 3 and 4. The second is 1, 2 and 5. When I insert 1, output is equal to 2. When I insert 3, output is equal to 5. And for 4, output is equal to 1. This one is first function, that is f. f is equal to 1, 2, then 3, 5 and 4, 1. What about the second one? This one is the second function given in the statement. G is equal to 1, 3, then 2, 3 and 5, 1. This one is the statement given to you. 1, 2 and 5. This one is 1 and 3. If I insert 1, output is equal to 3. Then for 2, answer is again 3. For 5, answer is equal to 1. Now, I can also write f1 is equal to 2. f3 is equal to 5 and f4 is equal to 1. I can write the statement like this also. Similarly, G1 is equal to 3 and what about G2? This one is again equal to 3 and what about the third value? G5 is equal to 1. You can calculate the values. Now, the target point is GOF. How to calculate these values? First of all, GOF of 1. How to calculate this value? You can write G inside bracket F1. Then G. What is the value of F1? This one is the value of F1, that is 2. Now what about G2? G2 is equal to 3. Now answer is equal to 3. What about the second value? GOF inside bracket, suppose I am writing 3. The second value. These are the values 1, 3, 4. G inside bracket, what I can write? F3. Now, what about the value of F3? F3 is equal to 5. Inside bracket, what I have to write? G5. Then what about G5? G5 is equal to 1. This one is the second value. ये आपकी second value आ गई. और अगर मैं third value की calculation करूं, GOF आप clearly calculate कर सकते हो. GOF inside bracket 4. और यहाँ पे आप मेंशन कर सकते हो GF4. अब F4 की वैल्यू कितनी है? 1. G inside 1. Then what about G1? G1 is equal to 3. This answer is equal to 3. These are the values. Now what about the answer? You can write the answer as GOF is equal to 1, 3, then 3, 1 and 4, 3. This one is the answer. By inserting 1, answer is equal to 3. By inserting 3, answer is equal to 1. By inserting 4, answer is equal to 3. आपने 1 इंसर्ट किया, आंसर 3 आ गया. आपने 3 इंसर्ट किया, आंसर आ गया 1. और 4 इंसर्ट किया, आंसर आ गया 3. This one is the combination 1, 3, 3, 1 and 4, 3. This one is the final answer. Now what about the second statement? This one is basically the theoretical content. You can take this by using some functions also. What about the first part? There are two parts. Part 1. Statement is f plus g and of h is equal to FOH plus GOH. You have to prove these two values equal. Now, solution. कैसे हमने इसको करना है? This one is simple, too much simple. सबसे पहले हम फंक्शन को किसी वेरिएबल के साथ अटैच करेंगे. f plus g of h then related to x. कोई फंक्शन अपने आप में कुछ भी नहीं होता अगर उसका वेरिएबल नहीं है. यहां पे हम एक वेरिएबल अटैच करेंगे. दिस वन इज ओनली द फंक्शन f plus goh, foh plus goh. After that we can write this as f plus g then inside bracket hx like this. After that we can write f hx plus g hx. You can operate hx on both the functions f and g. And next one is foh. You can write like this. If I am writing f inside bracket hx, then I can write foh then x plus goh inside bracket आप लिख सकते हो यहाँ पे x. उसके बाद x को इन दोनों के ऊपर आप ऑपरेट कर सकते हो foh plus goh. After that you can write x. Now look at the first statement. ये first statement देखो और last statement. You can clearly write f plus g o h can be written as f o h plus g o h. This one is the answer. Now what about the second part? Part second. Part second is f dot g o h is equal to, this one is not required in the statement, f o h dot g o h. This one is the statement. F dot g o h f o h plus dot g o h. Now what about left hand side? F dot g o h into x. Now you can write f dot g into hx in first step. उसके बाद आप लिख सकते हो यहाँ पे f hx dot g hx. After that you can write like this, f o h then x dot g o h into x. Now you can write f o h dot g o h into x. Now check the statement, first and last statement. Clearly you can write f dot g o h is equal to f of h dot g of h. होप आपको ये क्लियर हो गया होगा कि कैसे हम ये ऑपरेट कर रहे हैं. दिस वन इज द थ्योरेटिकल कंटेंट, नथिंग प्रैक्टिकल. प्रैक्टिकल मीन्स इफ यू आर टेकिंग f and g as some functions. Okay. Now what about the third part? Third is you have to calculate GOF and FOG. Okay. Suppose you have to calculate GOF into x. Now you can clearly write g inside bracket fx. Then g, what is the value of fx? It is x modulus. Now you have to insert this value in second statement. It means you can write 5 then x mod minus 2 again modulus. In place of x you have to write x modulus. This one is the answer. Now what about FOG? If you have to calculate FOG, then इस स्टेटमेंट में आप क्या लिखोगे? f इनसाइड ब्रैकेट gx. अब gx की वैल्यू यहां पे इंसर्ट कर दो. यहां पे आ गया 5x माइनस 2 मॉडुलस. अब ये x की वैल्यू आ गई. यहां पे हमने x मॉडुलस मेंशन करना है. यहां पे ये वैल्यू इंसर्ट होगी और आंसर क्या आ जाएगा? इट्स ऑलरेडी इन मॉडुलस. अब मॉडुलस का मॉडुलस मॉडुलस ही होगा, लाइक दिस वन. It means you can write fx minus 2 modulus. This one is the answer to second statement, that is FOG of x. Similarly, you can calculate the second part. This one is part second of question number 3. Okay, first one is GOF. You can write g inside bracket fx. After that g inside bracket 8x cube, because value of fx from here. I am taking the value. And what about the second statement? This one is the second statement. Now insert this value inside second. You can write 8x cube then power 1 over 3, and answer to this is 2x. This one is the answer. This one is the value of GOF of x. Now what about FOG? Here you can write f then inside bracket gx. अब gx की वैल्यू यहां पे इंसर्ट कर दो. What is the value of gx? It is x raised to power 1 over 3. अब ये वैल्यू x की प्लेस पे fx में इंसर्ट कर दो. अब स्टेटमेंट क्या है? 8x क्यूब. दिस वन इज fx. अब x की प्लेस पे x रेज टू पावर 1 over 3 आ जाएगा. x रेज टू पावर 1 over 3 इसका क्यूब. अब यहां पे हमारे पास आंसर आ गया 8x. दिस वन इज द फाइनल आंसर of FOG. Hope you understand the content. In the next video, I will start from question number 4 onwards.